This is the fastest and most reliable way of saving contacts on WhatsApp automatically. Now, I'm hosting a class like this and I run adverts to fill this group, and there are currently 870 members. Now, these members are to send a DM for me to save up their contacts. But how am I going to do it? Instead of using the former method of saving all the contacts in the group, I want to save only those that send a DM. Now, take for instance, a person sends a DM and the DM goes this way. And the DM goes like this. Take for instance, this person sends a DM from the group. I want to save up from your contacts to view your status. Boom. This person says she is okay, welcomes you, and then okay, this is it. My autoresponder does the work here. But let's find someone else who did a complete job here. Let's look for something like a complete job. Now look at this. This person says I want to save up your contacts to view your status. Canva. Ademide. My bot welcomes her, asks for her name. Ademide. Then it responds. Ademide, what a beautiful name you got. And then she said yes, and it responded with her name again, and then gave her the link. Now I didn't even know when this message, I didn't have to know when this message sent. All I have to do is log in, my AI will be doing all the work. Now how am I going to save all their contact? Now for in as much as every one of them save my contact, how am I going to do it? If they enter my group and send a DM, how am I going to do it? Now the very first thing you want to do is visit this autoresponder. The autoresponder is the one that is helping me to respond to all their messages. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to click on this three icon here. I'm going to click on export statistics. So I'm going to export contacts. I'm going to export contacts, and I'm going to export it as a CSV file. You can see autoresponder our contact. So I'll just be like Canva Pro 200 contacts, like that. So I'll just save it. Now it has automatically saved to my phone. So what next am I going to do? Then I'm going to enter this app here. Now inside this app there are a lot of things I can do. I can send campaigns, I can grab members from group, I can do super group center, there are a lot of messages. But what am I going to do now? I want to import the contacts to my own phone. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on add contacts down here. Then I'm going to click import as CSV file. Then I'm going to click select file. So I'm going to my download right now. Then I'm going to click select file. Okay, let's go. 127 contacts found. So what am I going to do? I'm going to click on import contacts, but first I'm going to add a group, and I'll be like Canva Pro 200, and I'll click on save. Then I'll click on import contacts. That successfully imported the 127 people that sent a DM. Then what am I going to do? I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to change this to Canva Pro 200. Then I'm going to do what? Click on this top icon here. Then I'll click save to phone contacts. Now I've saved those people contacts before. I don't need to save it again. But let's see how they look like in my contacts. So here's it. If I'm going to search for it now, you see, if I search for Canva Pro, can you see it has saved their contacts? 127 people sent a DM, and it's going to save their contacts instead of you spending hours saving their contacts one by one by one. Now that is method one of saving contacts. The second method of saving contacts, you'll find it on my YouTube channel. Ensure to check the playlist and check for the second video. Now if you want to get this particular application that does the saving of the WhatsApp contacts, here is my personal information here. Just send a DM to me on WhatsApp or comment down below. You will find me in the comment section. Stay tuned and watch more videos on my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and share to your friends. You're welcome.